everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti and
And Shruti, what's up, Joe?
what's up? What's up? We're back. High five, high five.
We're back, yeah. So
Or
is Hassan
another.
Rahim.
I know. Listen, when I saw
And
his
yes,
name, I mean Shazia Manzoor, though we saw in the teaser,
yes,
and
we
I was like,
did.
what?
I
What?
went down a rabbit hole of listening to all her old songs, which I used to absolutely love.
Okay, not all. I'll be honest. I've heard Aja Sode,
Not
of
all.
course, Bali Jakpal ka.
Of
That was
course.
my intro
Ha,
to her.
ha.
But
Yeah.
I just went down my Coke Studio, and she's got one song. I mean, let's,
Ah.
so.
Kiliyan guzara main raat saariyan. I have heard this song on loop.
Oh, you have?
And like
I've
the,
not.
yeah,
What is
and
that?
like Jagjit Dosanjh का this thing, what is it called, version, because he very recently performed it. तो वो वाला भी बहुत बार सुना, like वो तो live performance थी, and her original, and like I went down this one whole like 90s zone. I was
Oh.
like, oh, okay,
No, so
some select.
this song released on Friday, and on Saturday, I mean Friday शाम को ना, तो मैं Saturday को उठी, I was like, oh, Shazia Manzoor with Hassan Rahim, and then I was like, wait, I know she had a song on Coke Studio back in the day, season, I don't know which one it was, 9 or 8. Anyway, I went and I heard it again because I was like, वो अवधी गाना था, and I used to love it. It was a song that I could never play on the radio. You know,
Sing
it
it,
would.
no? What was it?
It was Hare Hare
What was it called?
Baas. Hare
अच्छा.
Hare Baas, and it's a विदाई song. So वो
Hmm.
बहुत ही emotional sweet था, and that whole like style of that whole like dialect and the whole style of singing, again I remember it hit me so hard when I'd heard it. Maybe I'll do a reaction to it now,
You must.
but I
Yes,
never
why
played it on
not?
the radio, so itni baar nahi suna tha, and I was like, I want to go back and hear it, and I heard it and it made me tear up again. I was like, oh, she is so fantastic.
हाँ वॉइस टोन
It's too
ओनली
good.
नो मतलब उनका स्केल ही कहाँ से शुरू होता
I
है
know.
हाउ डज वन इवन मैच अप लाइक
Yeah.
इट्स जस्ट लाइक ब्यूटीफुल
And what is that teaser that they released for this song? What is that?
it was fully like ready to transport us into an era like he's on that chair where I'm almost like वो नहीं होता वो टाइम ट्रैवल टाइप की जो चेयर होती है
Yeah.
कि like you're putting your
Matrix
hands and
type.
like oh
Matrix
yes
type,
matrix
na?
type yeah
Huh. And she's in the lab and all.
yeah
I first of all, I was like, 1 second, is that really her? Like, I couldn't. I was like, maybe it's an actor because it's quite
correct
crazy. The teaser is quite crazy.
and also
So
seeing a face after a really long time so
yeah,
one looks familiar but wasn't sure so yeah correct.
yeah. But she looks so fun. I have to
Yeah,
say,
very.
she
And
looks
and
like
even
she's ready
Hassan
to have
Rahim is
fun.
not looking like himself because of that little muchi and the way,
Okay, you
like
just gave me a
thoda sa.
spoiler. I haven't
Why?
seen
What
his.
spoiler?
I've only
Are you
seen
on
his
the thing?
name. I haven't seen his
But when he's lying down in the teaser,
teaser. Mein, he's not there. There's someone else in that chair.
what did I see then? Chair me, I thought it was him.
I don't think
That's
it
what
was
I.
him.
Oh, acha, then I'm mistaken. Sorry. I thought that's him
because
because you can see like a little version of him. Or
because
like
नहीं
that's not
teaser
him, that's
में
maybe someone else.
teaser
Huh.
में she's there, and then
Correct.
I remember seeing the teaser on Instagram. I didn't see it on YouTube, and वो
Huh.
hashtag में शाजिया मंसूर लिखा था, and
Correct. ऐसा
and
करते हैं ना
and
अभी teaser भी देखते
another
हैं.
another name was in the hashtag, something with K. So I
हाँ.
thought, oh, okay, it's this person. I didn't.
Oh,
There was
so
no
then you
Hassan
could be right.
Rahim in the
You could be
hashtag.
right. I've just seen it in the. Let's watch the teaser and then let's get into this. Let's
Oh,
do
okay.
that.
Yeah,
है
fine.
ना?
Let's
It'll
do
be
that. That'll
fun.
be a good
Yeah.
flow. Yeah, ठीक है.
Yeah, and
So
that way we
wait,
can
let me
actually
send
talk
you the
about it.
link. Yeah.
Yeah.
So and
Are you
while
fully
you're
like
opening
what?
it,
No wonder he wasn't looking like himself because maybe it wasn't him.
wait, I want to check this on Coke Studios account on Insta. I'm
हाँ.
pretty sure that because of the hashtags they have on that teaser, yeah, see, it's Zulfi, Shazia Manzoor, and Kamal K. ये तीन नाम
अच्छा.
tag थे. So I thought Kamal
Okay.
K and Shazia Manzoor है इस गाने में. I don't like, मेरे को नहीं मालूम. So
Correct.
then suddenly on Friday when the song released, I saw in the title Hassan Rahim, ex Hassan Rahim. Then I was like, oh, so I've not seen what he looks like or anything.
Right. No, let's watch this. But then where have I seen? Because I thought at the end of this,
Maybe you
like
saw
there is
a
a
clip or something passing me.
maybe,
हाँ,
possibly. चलो देखते हैं पहले ये देखते हैं फिर फिक्र
okay,
करते हैं.
okay, चलो. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਆਸਾਨ ਹੈ ਮਿੰਟਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਸਕਿੰਟਾਂ 'ਚ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਸੱਚ ਕਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਬੋਰ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇਸ ਬੋਰੀਅਤ ਨੂੰ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਇਜਾਦ ਕੀਤੀ ਟੀਜੇ V56 ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਓ ਤੇ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕਰੋ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰਵਾਏਗੀ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬੋਰ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਮਹਲਤ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਤੇ ਜੇ ਮਿਲ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਲਓ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਤੰਗ ਤੇ ਚਲੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਸੰਗ TJ V56 welcomes you 100% guarantee.
Clearly. This is a yeah, this is a girl.
Yeah.
So clearly I
Also,
have no idea. यहाँ से जाने के बाद मैंने क्या देखा, but yeah, I saw one Hassan Rahim one with one little Muchi.
What was that sentence she said? Agar if you don't have fun, then what is that? Something Sanu Fadlo something. What was
Sanu
that?
Fadlo, like just hold on to us.
Ah,
If
okay.
you're not having fun everywhere, then just hold on to us. But
Okay.
it's a guarantee, 100%. that we're gonna
100%
make you have fun.
TJ.
Yeah.
TJ 2056.
But
2056
you
ही क्यों?
understood? हाँ, because future में जा रहे हैं. I mean, I'm assuming.
हाँ, है ना?
हाँ, मतलब that's like the most obvious this thing.
What
but I'm
an
sure there's more to it.
interesting concept. तो वो फ्यूचर का गाना गाने
Future
वाले
past.
फ्यूचर में हमें
हाँ,
आज के लिए कुछ लेसन या मैसेज देंगे गाने में is what I'm thinking.
from
Future
a
past.
person who's literally blast from the past.
Yeah.
So it's like a, you know,
Amazing.
getting a person who like blast from the past to take you into the future.
Yeah. What a set. What
I
fun.
love it.
ठीक है, I want to quickly see what's written in the blurb and then we'll watch it.
Sure.
गड्डी वेखो किथे किथे जांदी है. गड्डी वेखो किथे किथे जांदी है. टुर्री जांदी, sorry. Turri you said, na? It's to.
Yeah, Turri Jandi.
Okay. Curated and produced by Zulfi. Song narrative is also Zulfi. Composed by Zulfi, Abdullah Siddiqui and Hassan Rahim. Written by Adnan Dhul, Hassan Rahim and Zulfi. Yay! Adnan is back. Additional lyrics MRA. I don't know what MRA is. Okay, music arranged and produced by Abdullah Siddiqui and Zulfi, mixed by Zulfi. And we have Abdullah Siddiqui, Dave Kutch. Video direction is Kamal Khan. Okay, so he was the one tagged in the
Right. Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
है ना, Kamal?
Correct.
Produced by Giraffe. And let's just quickly see the instruments. There's vocals, violin, Javed Iqbal, Babar Ali violin, Muhammad Ilyas violin, Nadeem Ahmed violin. तो पूरा एक violin section होने वाला है. Now we know. Synth bass Melvin, synth Payam, synth Ali. Baluchi banjo is happening. Naseem Ali Baloch is on the Balochi banjo. Electric guitar Awais, Sagar on percussions, Veeru Shan on percussions, Joshua Amjad on tabla, and Ahad Nayani on drums.
Listen, this is going to be one full-on fusion.
That's
like, you know, that complete
yeah.
aisa wala.
I wonder what the Baluchi banjo sounds like. And the violin section is going to happen. I'm so excited. Movement, direction, quick style. Very exciting.
Yeah. Oh, there's going to be dancing too. Okay.
हाँ, वो भी होगा. Okay, now let's, without further ado, full screen, ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, play.
Coke Studio, Season 15.
Oh.
I know how किसी और को दिखा भाई जीने दे हाँ सही वो मेरे पाँव baby दिखे वो दिल की सच्ची राह सही मैं बातें क्यों बनाऊं तुम्हें निराले क्यों गवाऊं हंसते हंसाते निखर आऊं दिल से जो आया क्या जाऊं ये नाव ऐसे डूबे नहीं बातें सबकी दिल पे ठहराऊं मन को हल्की सी भी फिक्र नहीं ओ मेरे भाई कैसे ये
टूरी जांदी है जीवे सब जांदी गड़ियां फलांदी ओ गड्डी देखो किथे जांदी है दिन नो बहराउण लई खुशियां कमाउण लई हीरे वे ओ कदी रखया हिसाब नहीं अपना ਚੱਲੀਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਟੁਰ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖੁੱਲਾ ਆਸਮਾਨ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਬੰਦ ਗਲੀਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖੁੱਲਾ ਆਸਮਾਨ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਬੰਦ ਗਲੀਏ ਗੱਡੀ ਮੁੜ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਮੁੜ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਮੁੜ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਮੁੜ ਚੱਲੀਏ
ਟੁਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਏ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਨ ਲਈ ਜਾਣੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਣ ਲਈ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੱਲੇ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਏ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਸਵਾਲ ਜੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਏ ਕਮਾਲ ਜਈਆ
ਉਹ ਗੱਡੀ ਵੇਖੋ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਏ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਬਹਿਲਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਕਮਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਬਹਿਲਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਕਮਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਬਹਿਲਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਕਮਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਆਹ ਝੂਮ ਕੇ ਚਲੀ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਗਲੀ ਝੂਮ ਕੇ ਚਲੀ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਗਲੀ
What just happened?
It is so
What?
completely. I love these type of videos, like fully.
I feel like we just stepped into a different world and now we have to like beam back to reality.
मुझे ये
It's-
पूरी मूवी चाहिए. Forget about that. मुझे ये मूवी देखनी है.
No, it is
Please बना
exactly
लो.
like you've entered a Star Trek world where you've been beamed into another planet and now you're beaming back to Earth. And all that whole like bar scene and all of that is straight out of The Mandalorian or one of those like right now the way they've sort of taken off the different shows from the original Star Wars world and all of that is happening. It's literally out of one of those bar scenes and those kind of things, and I can't believe it. I can't believe what they've done.
Okay, so because you're a hardcore Star Trek fan, that's the only thing you see everywhere. Let me give you alternative perspective. So there are shows called Travelers. There are shows called like who are actually people like so many, like right from Umbrella Academy to like so many where people are just traveling between not worlds but different timelines, right? Like how you're talking about
Yeah.
traveling to different worlds because of the whole, the
Yeah,
whole
I've
Starship
seen
thing, like all that.
I've seen some of
So
those.
now,
I've seen Umbrella.
so within when one is going from one timeline to another, and how different faces that you see, like how he was moving his hands, and
Yeah.
suddenly it's like timelines were changing.
Yeah.
So to me, that, and especially there was this one episode of Black Mirror, which was the latest Black Mirror that came. In that, they literally go from like Earth, and in the 1960s or whatever, and then they go, to different, like the moon or wherever, like another planet for maybe, or like just outside to a station.
Yeah.
And then and they are sitting exactly in the same way. So this whole thing comes also from Matrix, right? Like sitting like that and like doing that, like
Being
how we were
plugged in,
discussing it right now.
yeah.
Plugged in. So over here with the whole plugged in with that thing, it also reminded me of that Black Mirror episode. And like, because that's literally what happens.
Yeah.
Like how they go there and then there are two people and then, how things begin to go wrong. But anyway, coming back to this.
Yeah.
This is just like,
No, because I genuinely had that feeling that we are in another world and suddenly we've
Yeah.
just been beamed back to reality. When the screen like became black here, I'm
हाँ,
like, okay, we're back.
हाँ. So for me, it felt like we've traveled to different timelines and now we're back to our own timeline.
Yeah.
Same thing, but like, yeah, you're going there, I'm
Yeah.
going parallelly.
Bec-
हाँ.
And also the way there are so many different characters in that bar or wherever that
Yeah.
entertainment or let's call it an oasis.
Correct.
It's very straight out of any of these sci-fi
Yeah.
things.
And then that one
And
person, the one other traveler
who's
who only in
following.
the end it gets revealed that he's
Yeah.
there. He's the only one who's dressed out of character. Like how
Yeah.
everybody has that certain retro look about them, and he's the only one, he's very K-pop type dressed. Like, even all his movements, even everything is very, very like, if you don't see his face, because there are moments when you can't see his face, his movement, his manner of, moving around the whole thing, I was like, it's very today. So you know that there is this one person,
There's a
and वो
glitch.
जाके खुसर पुसर भी कर रहा है. Yeah, like he's going and he's like kind of whispering into, you know. So I was wondering when he's whispering onto other people, and then in the end everybody's staring at Hassan Reem's character. So then I'm like, but what is he whispering? Like, you know, where did that thread go? What was he? Is there a part 2 to it? Is
There
a
are
movie we
many
can watch?
threads.
Please tell.
We'll see. We'll find out all that in the BTS.
In
We'll
the
find out
BTS,
all that
yes,
in the
yes,
BTS. But right now, I
yes.
think we need to just admire the whole, like, what was the sonic vibe of this song. I was thinking I can't classify it in anything, and
Yeah.
that's the best part of it. That's the best freaking part. You can't. I was like, what 1 second, there are all these traditional instruments happening. There is all, I mean, we've heard fusion so many times, all
Correct.
kinds of fusion, but this was something else, something we've never sort of experienced before, also because of all the changes that kept happening and all the, you know, the
The
different,
drops were the highlight. You know,
yeah,
how to create a drop into a moment by itself musically.
it's just
This,
shocking.
it was seamless. It was seamless. You know, that drop can create a bit of a jarring effect, especially with the two kinds of music that they were kind of
Spaces.
mingling.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, like it was such a retro thing, but mixing with like, it was like a
It's
deep
just
house, but mixing with that drop, mixing with like, I don't know, like,
mixing
I don't
with
know what to call
jazz,
it, like very
mixing with,
fresh.
it
I
was
know
just
it just sounded really
everything.
fresh.
It was just
Yeah.
everything, and yet it was its own thing. So I feel like, and of course, like, I don't even know where Hassan has pulled this vocal range from in this song. Where has he
Yeah.
pulled it from? You know, the thing I was thinking while watching him specifically was,
हाँ.
I just, like, अभी 3-4 दिन भी नहीं हुए, I think 4 दिन हो गए, Kate Na, his latest release with Abdullah Kasumi. So, and in that, I watched him act. Okay, and literally it's the simplest video where he's sitting, the two musicians with him are sitting in a room, they're playing their different instruments, he's singing and he's emoting to the mic, and I could not take my eyes off him and his eyes and the way he was emoting. And I remember distinctly saying in that reaction, abhi hua isi hafte, that this guy has evolved so many different stages of evolution as an artist, as an actor, as a performer on camera, everything.
100%.
We saw the beauty in him right from Aise Kaise, you know, the way he was
Correct,
vibing
correct.
to such a simple video. We were like, who is this guy? Suddenly we woke up to Hassan Rahim, the phenomena. And
True.
and look at the evolution. I'm just remembering Katena. I'll send it to you offline. You watch it.
I've seen it.
You saw Katena? Oh, amazing.
Yeah. I follow Hassan Reem's everything very, very diligently.
Oh, amazing.
So
Then I don't have to do anything. Great. So I just couldn't believe
phenomenal.
what he did in Katena. The writing, the delivery, the vocals, the acting, and the eyes, you know, depicting the
You know,
pain.
the thing is, he's also such a
This also.
phenomenal performer.
Exactly.
You know, he doesn't stay to just singing and music as a performance. He also goes into the performance of it.
The character of
so
it.
the attention that he grabs just being on screen, it is, and you're so right, his game is only improving. Like, you know, the way he's playing with the camera. You remember what was that song in which he was on that car and wo upar chad ke baitha hua tha, and that's when we were like, listen, at
The
the
one with
sunset is happening,
Natasha.
and they're kind of.
Yeah, the one with Natasha.
It was just him.
I think it was just him.
It was
Oh,
just him.
it was
He's
a project. I remember.
you remember which one?
Yeah.
And it was literally like he's sitting car ki khidki mein upar, and
Yeah.
and that's all he's doing. But it's mesmerizing to watch him. The expressions change, the way he fluidly, like, he plays with you just with his facial expressions.
Yeah.
And then to add to that, the way his voice comes in, like, you know, this tonality which he has worked on, it's smooth. You know, it's really smooth. It's very today, and yet it's very, that lo-fi wali jo awaaz hai na, wo quintessentially wo Hassan Reem ki awaaz ban chuki hai abhi. It is like,
and I know, but what were those high notes he hit at the end? You know, when she was singing, I was like, 1 second, and then he was on the mic. I was like, yeah, I was just like, what is going on? Where is this guy going? He has ascended several levels at Beyond. Like,
I'm so happy for him. You know, I feel so happy and like so joyful when
see the
things
journey.
like this happen. Yeah. And when someone's doing so well for himself, and it's like, you know, when the universe is literally going, you can see the universe working through him in his music.
Yeah.
And you're so there for it that, you know, he becomes all of us champion then. Because we just love watching him perform and like go from height to height. And I just hope, like, and last Coke Studio, so he just, like, sudden shift that happened in his graph. And after that, it's only been going, you know, right?
No. You remember one point? I remember as soon as Piche Hut had released, I was in Dubai for that concert and Hassan was on stage. So many artists I saw perform in that one night. I don't know if you remember me telling you, Hassan stole the show for me in terms of stage performer. I was like, I had the most fun in his set. And everyone was there. You know, everyone was there. Asim Azhar was there. This one, Young Sanas was there. Everyone was there.
Young Sanas was there, I remember, yeah.
But Hassan, with his, just him and one other person on stage with him, I think, stole it. He was so infectious, his energy and his vibe. And after the Coke Studio season ended, 14, I remember you and I reviewed one or two of his songs, and we were like, something is not like working. You know, those couple of like downers were there for us. And then it picked up after that. It picked up, and it's not stopped picking up after that. So I love the entire like growth. Anyway, Shazia ji,
her voice hasn't aged, no?
Has not aged. She has also not aged. Her face, everything, her energy has not aged. Everything is intact. It is just beautiful to see. And also like with her, you know, the way they styled her with that like gold thing on her pallu here, and that whole like walking around, she was literally, I was getting the feels of like the queen of the realm, you know.
She was on the bridge. Like she was on the bridge where she's kind of controlling the whole thing. Right? Because he also, while he's singing in the club, she's not present, but he can kind of hear her, and he's like syncing his voice to hers. It's almost seemed like that. That is she controlling what he's singing, or can he hear her and he doesn't know where it's coming from, and that's why he's a little confused, or that voice wakes him up, or I don't know what, like, you know, that added so much mystery to the whole thing. That
she's running the experiment from
she's running the exactly.
And yeah, you're right, they didn't run into each other. I think we should watch this again, because there are too many elements in it, musically also and visually also. It cannot just be watched once. We will not have anything to contribute to this.
Is ready. Let's go. रुको हाँ एकदम से बोलने को तो कह दिया, लेकिन I'm not literally ready. Wait, I have to. कौन सा गाना शुरू हो गया यहाँ पे, देखने दो मुझे.
You are emotionally and spiritually ready, but in the current timeline, you are not.
Well said. एक सेकंड हाँ. अरे मैं तो पिछले गाने पे चली गई.
Listen, और इसके lyrics पे तो हम आए नहीं, but let's watch it one more time. It's just.
अरे लिरिक्स पे भी नहीं आया, और उस पे भी नहीं, वो जो इनका यार ये क्या
much to discuss in this. Listen, our last reaction was an hour 19 minutes. I don't know how long this will
breaks हुई थी, that's why it happened.
That also happened, yeah. We had a whole day break, half a day break.
एक second, I gave, for some reason it has gone and reset to like last the previous song, so I'm just going to go to.
That's okay. You remember we got that comment that please keep your discussion short. I only like quick reviews. ऐसा कुछ comment आया था.
Sorry, नहीं होगा. It is not in us to do that.
She said it to me and she's like, oh, what do we do about this? Nothing. We don't do anything.
रुको, अब मेरे को वापस से करना पड़ेगा. 1 minute.
Fine. Ready? Okay. Let me just enlarge my screen 1 second. Okay.
And also, so the club is looking slightly different, obviously, quite different. लेकिन still जो उनके ऊपर के वो सारा, you know, the club artifacts which they've used and the way they've done all the, it's quite reminiscent of the previous one as well, right? जो पिछला गाना हमने देखा था, जो उसका club था.
किसका club?
Which was Fireflies and all that का जो concept था, and like the whole club of the previous song. So the club layout is pretty similar, but rest everything things have changed.
I mean, there seemed to be more like room-wise section in this. That was like a more open, like jazz bar situation. This was more like a club with different sections. There's a bar section. There's a different like side room. There's a.
But still, the first impact to me.
First impact is like going back in time, Bala.
Yeah, retro clubs. You know.
Also, that old school watering holes. You know, basically.
Correct.
So, ठीक है. Ready?
Ready. Yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
Coke Studio, Season 15.
Is this season? I don't know.
So the music
This is music. Yeah. Very old school.
Yeah.
This.
I know how किसी और को दिखा भाई जीने दे हाँ सही वो मेरे पाँव भाई दिखे वो दिल की सच्ची राह सही मैं बातें क्यों से जो आया क्या जाऊं ये नाव ऐसे डूबे नहीं बातें सब किधर पे ठहरा मन को हल्की सी भी फिक्र नहीं ओ मेरे भाई कैसे ये
टूरी जांदी है जिਵੇਂ सब जांदी गलियां फलांदी ओ गड्डी देखो किथे जांदी है बिनु बहरांदी खुशियां कमाउण लई हीरे वे ओ कदी रखिया हिसाब नहीं अपना मिजाज नहीं पुछया मैं दिल नहीं मंगता जवाब कोई दिल की क्या बात बई ओ होना राम नहीं लोका तो काम नहीं देखा वखरे लश्कारे मैं तो हार गई कोई सामान नहीं दुनिया दा पार नहीं चलिया मैं जिथे करदा दिल में लाग गई टुरी जांदी है यादां दा सामान नहीं जाने किथे जान लई ओ जदों गले पैंदी थल्ले पैंदी है फेर भी सवाल लई किन्नी है कमाल लई दिल वालिਆਂ ਨੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੁੜ ਵੇਖਣਾ ਵੀ ਏ ਦਿਲ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੁੜ ਵੇਖਣਾ ਵੀ ਏ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਚੱਲੀ ਸੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਟੁਰ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਟੁਰ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖੁੱਲਾ ਆਸਮਾਨ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਬੰਦ ਗਲੀਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖੁੱਲਾ ਆਸਮਾਨ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਬੰਦ ਗਲੀਏ ਗੱਡੀ ਮੁੜ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਮੁੜ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਮੁੜ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਮੁੜ ਚੱਲੀਏ
ਟੁੱਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਏ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਨ ਲਈ ਜਾਣੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਣ ਲਈ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੱਲੇ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਏ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਸਵਾਲ ਜੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਏ ਕਮਾਲ ਜਈਆ
ओ गड्डी देखो किथे जांदी है दिल नूं बहलाउण लई खुशियां कमाउण लई दिल नूं बहलाउण लई खुशियां कमाउण लई दिल नूं बहलाउण लई खुशियां कमाउण लई आहा झूम के चली सोने यार दी गली झूम के चली सोने यार दी गली
He broke through the matrix in the end. He literally, all his timelines merged and he awakened through it. He got
Yes,
aware
yes.
of what was happening.
Listen,
Oh,
there's too much to discuss.
यार ये
बस
गाना जो है सॉन्ग में कुछ और ही चल रहा है. Like if you listen to it without the video, it is such a beautiful love and self-awareness song, yeah.
yeah,
Like ये यार ये क्या हो गया suddenly?
yeah.
You know, it's like I thought कि हमने सुन लिया है. अब ये तो season के end में आ रहे हैं. They're literally saving gems. If it was any more possible to have any better gems than what they released in the start of the season, like this is just getting
There
better and better.
aren't any adjectives left for us to use because इसको कैसे describe करें, इसको कैसे appreciate करें? There isn't any correct like
This
vocabulary
is
for it.
exciting me, you know, like if when you listen to a song and it gets you so excited towards life. Like, you know,
Yeah.
when you listen to it and you got your, this is what the song is doing to me. Like I'm listening to it with, it's even with the second listen, there is like this happiness that is bursting in me.
Yeah.
And I'm like, kya ho raha hai yahan pe? And it's
No, I know why you're feeling it. I'm feeling it
Why?
also because we are so
Hmm.
excited about the things that creative minds can achieve, that creativity can bring.
also that, but also if I
Honestly.
didn't know who was connected to this song.
Yeah.
Right? Even you cut away everybody. You listen to
Yeah.
the song just as is. इसके जो गाने के lyrics हैं,
Yes.
वो
And the
इतने
message.
हैं ना, and they're
Yes.
so, and the voices and the suddenness, like you said, na, it's so fresh. We've never heard something like this kind of
Yeah.
fusion transition, and the
Yeah.
way they've mixed it up, it is so fresh that it is like it's just it's filling me with a lot of love and life.
Joy.
Like, thank you guys. Yeah,
Yes.
it's a very
it's like the thing you when your soul encounters something it needed, but it didn't know it needed it. It's that feeling. Like we just needed music like this, which can like shatter all the boundaries and be so fresh in its vibe and what it basically is as a whole, that we're like, ye bhi possible tha, and we needed this, and we love it. Ah!
I know the exact expression of what I'm feeling. On a really hot day, on a really hot chip day, when you get cold water to splash on your face, no, you suddenly go, like that happiness and that satisfaction happens.
Yeah.
That's what the song is making me feel. In
Yes.
short. Yeah. बस इतना
I
कह दिया, हो
agree.
गया मेरा.
I agree.
Wow.
It is such a breath
I'm
of fresh air. It is just
really excited to listen to the song without
the video.
Without
The listen, but the video, उसके visuals आपके mind में आते रहेंगे, because क्या ही जहाँ जहाँ वो sonic change हुआ और वो shift हुआ, and the arrangement surprised us. Everywhere they have visually hit us with something mind blowing.
showed जब वो एक तो
That
वो
tunnel.
जो जैसे आप shoot में that tunnel, and then when multiple personas of his like kind of start showing up, they're not different personas, same persona, but
with the hand and the
overlaps.
faces. Yeah.
That was too good.
Yeah.
Like, just after that tunnel, when suddenly, like, he's just standing straight behind that mic and he turns and peeche, it's the same him, like from a second moment, which is there. It is beautifully done. Beautifully.
Who has done the video? We must quickly.
The video director, no? You took his name also.
Yeah, I did.
Jiska naam mentioned tha.
One second. Kamal Khan.
Is he the same person who was there?
आपने कमाल कर दिया. Kamal ji. Kamal, sorry. No, I think this is his first video on Coke Studio. I have not seen the name before. Also, he was tagged in the Coke Studio Instagram post. And I had not heard his name before, so I thought he is the second singer.
Yeah.
यार
एक पूरी एल्बम ऐसी निकल सकती है, पता है, with all those different personas जो वो दिखा रहे थे कि where he's like wearing this, wearing that, like एक कितना छोटा सा shot. मैं सोच रही थी
this can be its own web series.
Seriously, and उस एक shot में, even album के जो जैसे मान लो 8 different personas हैं, 8 different गाने, with like each one given like more this thing. So I was just thinking, for that one shot which barely lasted 5 seconds, right? दिन कितना काम गया होगा उन 8 personas को create करने में, because they were not looking AI generated. So for them to have, just to get that one picture, you change into your entire clothes and your avatar, and like you get the whole thing done, and then makeup and everything, and then you sit and you give that one shot, and then immediately you change. For that, literally not even a 2-second pause.
Yeah.
So it's
no. There's too much attention to detail, and there's too many brilliant like visual shots of this that we have to analyze. Right from the first shot with the bridge where she's standing, and how there's only darkness on either side. How did they achieve that visually? वो सब हमें दिखेगा. I feel BTS में. I just wanna talk about.
And also, I was wrong about that part where they probably don't directly collide and talk to each other. But she does kind of come over there, and that other traveler guy, I'm just going to call him Traveler. He's the traveler guy in leather and everything, who kind of whispers something to her, and then she's performing. So it's in the same space where Hasan Rahim is probably not there. Probably he's on the other side.
He doesn't encounter her though.
Crowd is there. So it's at the same spot when they are kind of singing, same jagah pe, but I don't think like they come across each other. So then I was thinking that no, in my head it was that she only stays on the bridge, but no, she did come here. Maybe it was before he came here. So I don't know.
So
while setting up the place.
So I will just say what I saw in the thing, and maybe there's a story here. She is running this experiment, and she's like the master controller, and he's plugged in, and now he is with the sound of the music, and the plucking of the strings and all that. The music is the let's say the thing that initiates the experiment or the movement. And he gets transported into this body of his with the sash and everything. By the way, the hair and the mustache is just beyond. I mean, they got the look. Once you get the look, half your work is done. So that happened. So he arrives in this timeline, and then this guy who's in the black, we'll call him time traveler, or whatever, we'll call him traveler. He sees him, and as soon as he sees that this one's arrived, he whispers to the bartender something. Then he goes and he whispers to each of the musicians. And then they all look towards Hasan, and they're like, oh, he's here. Okay, now and then they like, this one started playing this, thing. After he whispered to her, someone else started doing something else on their instrument. So it was all musically driven. to
Correct.
initiate some kind of sequence for the experiment to continue or to get to the next whatever. So I think this is what I'm getting out of it. And then of course he also whispered to the to Shazia ji, the the main singer. All of these musical elements then are combining to keep the experiment running and progressing. And then eventually he follows him, he sees him, he follows him into this light wala curtain thing, and he enters that tunnel where there are several that sequence. I don't know how they achieved that. That is another one for the textbooks. I don't know what was happening there with the movement back and forth and all the windows on the sides. There are so many windows, so maybe that is symbolic of timelines and lifetimes. I don't know what it is. That's where his hands were being shown and his different thing. So वहां पे उस टनल में सब सबमर्ज हो रहा है, सब सॉरी कन्वर्ज हो रहा है, और फिर suddenly boom, the music and everything explodes, and then we have the crescendo happening, and then the song then ends, and he's gone from the seat, and this one has appeared there.
Correct.
Did I
Now
get
tell
it
you my
right?
version.
Yeah.
No, I'll tell you my version and then we'll figure.
Yeah.
So in my thing, the whole story is basically there is a person who's sitting with a therapist, right? And now the therapist is, the whole point of the experiment is to find your, let's call it the inner child, or let's call it the inner soul, or the healed part of you, or some part of you that is missing, right? And music is the way to go in. So here's this person who's lying on a thing, and now through music as the trigger, like you also said, the person, now you're going in. So now what we see, the whole thing that we're seeing is the inner mind palace. Right? So when you have gone in, and those, even later, that tunnel with like those different things. So it's almost like, different thoughts, different whatevers, but the mind palace of a person, a safe keeping where you know that you will not be lost. But now this person who is initially Hasan Rahim, right? Who is initially lying down, and then when he begins to go in, like when you travel in the mind through him, now he is looking a little lost because he's looking for that healed part of him, but he's unable to find, right? And music is what's going to heal him. And music is also the thing that's going to take him deeper into the recesses of his mind. So now the different personas that we see is how long he's been searching for himself. Right? So kabhi wo aise search kar raha hai, aise kar raha hai, not finding. And all those now amalgamate together. And now he's at this spot where now he begins, all those worlds begin to collide. So all the different times when he's been searching for his persona, and I'm not even going into past lives over here. I'm not even going into all that. I am just calling it whatever it is, right?
The
like
current
just
lifetime.
Current lifetime, his healing
phases.
session. He's in his head, and now he's finding himself. Right? But and again, through music. So when he's singing, so when they both harmonize, so at that point of harmony, the doctor, so as to call, the therapist or the doctor, is also kind of helping him. And those are the moments. So that's how another way that I was looking at it, right? And then they go deeper in, and finally, when everybody begins to look at him, because after all, it's his own mind. So it's like when everybody becomes, all your own senses become aware. And that inner child of you, or like the healed part, is going and whispering onto everybody that, oh, look, he's here now. Do you think he's going to find us? Start playing, so that it like kind of helps him come more into his own. So healing happens with music, more and more healing happens. And then finally, when we do come out and she turns, the healed person, who is really the healed, who started out as an unhealed person, who was Hasan Rahim, and now the healed person who is in that black thing and what we were earlier calling traveler, right? He's sitting there.
Back.
And so to me, that's like coming into yourself and finding your own self through the journey of music is what I would I'm looking at the whole thing as.
I completely agree with you. You have cracked it. I was only analyzing the storyline as it progressed, had not gone into the deeper thought of it. But yes, that is exactly what I feel
Inside Out,
is
the
what
movie
happened.
Inside Out. Have you
seen?
I
haven't seen it. I haven't seen that.
Oh, so Inside Out was all about, it's an animation movie, but it was all about the inner workings of how everyone works together to function a body. So this was like the inner workings of a mind. That's how I was like looking at it.
Okay.
Like it's almost how they say, jo hamare andar hai, wahi hamare aaspaas hai. The whole universe is like what's inside and outside.
And also what they say is whatever you're searching for is within yourself only. Right, and that is the crux of it. So the visual, like no, I am completely with you. That is the deeper meaning of it. For I was honestly just analyzing the first layer of it, which is ये हो रहा था जो हमने देखा, अब उसका हम क्या meaning निकालेंगे, वो आपने निकाल दिया. So that is, I think that's exactly what it was. And I was gonna say that her her styling with
Outfit,
especially
हाँ.
with her glasses. It is very this thing of a therapist and a
Yeah,
doctor,
you're
right?
right. Actually,
The
yeah.
glasses and the glasses were a constant. So of course she wears glasses also. But I feel that
Correct.
that was the way of saying ye doctor hai, not
Or,
to
or the
generalize.
person who's taking you, yeah. So I was
But
like, I don't know
mostly
which
that's
kind
a
of healing
very
is going on. हाँ, कि like hypnotherapy चल रही है या deep, child healing,
regression
whatever
चल रहा
workshop is going
है.
on, regression चल रहा
Yes.
है, क्या चल रहा है मुझे नहीं पता, but कोई type का
कुछ
चल रहा
चल रहा
है.
है. He's
हाँ,
plugged in
हाँ,
and music is starting the initiating the whole
correct,
process
the
of
healing.
thing.
Yeah,
Lovely, yaar. I think we have cracked it together. High
I
five.
agree. Ah.
तो BTS से पता चलेगा कितना बकवास कर रहे हैं और कितना
I know,
समझ
and
आया.
BTS will give us some different story only, and people like, oh.
Yeah. But
It's
when I
always so much
see,
fun.
yeah, but my brain, when I see anything like this, it only enters Star Wars and Star Trek worlds. My brain doesn't process anything because my child state is that. I literally grew up on Star Trek religiously
Yeah.
every day on Oman TV. We used to get 1 hour episode. My 3 to 4 was blocked for that, 3 to 4 p.m.
Oh, my 3 to 4 in the
Was
evenings was
blocked.
Batman. I used to watch
Oh,
Batman.
okay. I
Kapow,
literally
kapow.
wanted to be Spock. Like, so I refused anything
Oh,
that wasn't logical. So I was a very unemotional child. I was only about logic. I was like, I am
Sheldon.
Spock.
Oh,
I think I was
yeah.
Sheldon as a kid. So
Mm.
anyway, going back, I'm going back to my mistake. Look at the effect.
Amazing.
So
Yeah.
okay,
So good.
so now the lyrics and the lyrics exactly are exactly that. They are therapy
Mm.
and they are telling us so
Self-love
many
in
important
different, yeah.
things. Yeah. So I've opened the lyrics here. Let's go over it
Super,
because the messaging
super.
of the
Go
song
for
will
it.
then
Yeah.
टूरी जांदी है लाइफ गोज पासिंग इसमें इंग्लिश वो ट्रांसलेशन भी है सो आई लव
Oh, very
इट
good.
जीवे सब जानदी एज इफ इट नोज एवरीथिंग घड़ियां घड़ियां फलंग दी skipping through time गड्डी वेखो किथे किथे जांदी है let's see where this ride goes so it's just beautiful how poetic is this दिल नु बहलाउन लई खुशियां कमाउन लई आईना हाँ किसी और को दिखा भाई जीने दे हाँ सही वो मेहरबान भाई. Okay, so it says, yeah, show this mirror to someone else. Let me live my life. Oh, मेहरबान भाई, he's merciful brother. Okay. देखे वो दिल की सच्ची राह सही. मैं बातें क्यों बनाऊं, लम्हे निराले क्यों गिनाऊं, हंसते हंसाते निखर आऊं, दिल से जो आया कह जाऊं. हंसते हंसाते निखर आऊं, दिल से जो आया कह जाऊं. ये नाव ऐसे डूबे नहीं, ये बातें सबकी दर पे ठहराऊं. ये बातें सबके दर पे ठहराऊं. मन को हल्की सी भी फिक्र नहीं ओ मेरे भाई. नहीं सर कैसे ये टुर्री जांदी है जेवे सब जानदी घड़ियां हलांग दी गड्डी वेखो किथे किथे जांदी है दिल नु बहलाउन लई खुशियां कमाउन लई. Okay, then हीरिया वे ओ कदी रखिया हिसाब नहीं अपना. I think this is her part. So the first verse was his, right? हीरिया वे ओ कदी रखिया हिसाब नहीं अपना मजाज नहीं पुछिया मैं दिल नु मंगदा जवाब कोई दिल की क्या बात भाई ओ हुण आराम नहीं लोका तो काम नहीं. One sec. So this is, hey sweetheart, I don't keep records. It's not in my nature. I ask. Heart doesn't ask for answers. Dil nu mangda jawab koi. Dil ki kya baat bhai. What a remarkable thing the heart is. I'm no longer in my comfort zone. Oh, hun aram nahi. Loka to kaam nahi. Since now I have no business with people. Loka to kaam nahi. Vekha vakhre e lashkare. I can see the spectacular miracles of the world. मैं ता हार गई. Oh, they baffle me. कोई सामान नहीं. I have no baggage. दुनिया दा भार नहीं. I shrug off the weight of the world, like Atlas shrugged. चलिया मैं जिथे करदा दिल, and now I'm going wherever my heart leads me. मैं लांग गई. I've crossed over. टुरी जांदी है यादां ता सामान लाई जाने किथे जान लई ओ जदों गले पहनदी
So
पल्ले
beautiful.
पहनदी है ओ जदों गले पैंदी पल्ले पैंदी है. You get it only when it hits you. फिर भी सवाल जई किन्नी है कमाल जई. Still it remains a question. What a strange thing life is. जिਵੇਂ सब जानदी घड़ियां भलांगदी as if it knows that. दिल वालियां ने पीछे मुड़ वेखा भी है. दिल वालियां ने पीछे मुड़ वेखा भी है. The people of love will always look back to wonder. दिल वालियां ने पीछे मुड़ वेखा भी है. किथों चली सी कहानी किथे टुर चली है. Where it all began,
These two
where it's
lines are my favorite of the whole song.
yeah.
Like they just both the times that we heard it and came, and I was like, and delivered so sweetly. Like just these two lines. वो कहते हैं ना कि पूरी पूरे कहानी सिर्फ इस कहानी नहीं, like हर कहानी का फलसफा उसमें है. Like it's one of those. I just love those two lines.
Yeah, but it also is a little sad. But ठीक है. किथे टुर चली है, किथे खुला आसमां, किथे बंद गली है, किथे खुला आसमां, किथे बंद गली है, गड्डी मुड़ चली है नी गड्डी मुड़ चली है, गड्डी मुड़ चली है नी गड्डी मुड़ चली है, तू टुरी जांदी है, यादां दा समान लई जाने किथे जान लई, ओ जदों गले पैंदी पल्ले पैंदी है, फिर भी सवाल जई किन्नी है कमाल जई, ओ गड्डी वेखो किथे किथे जांदी है। झूम के चली सोने यार दी गली, that's the last line. दिल ਨੂੰ ਬਹਿਲਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਕਮਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਝੂਮ ਕੇ ਚਲੀ ਸੋਨੇ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਗਲੀ. I will say that for the first time, I wish there were more in Urdu lines. For the first time, I'm saying this. I've always advocated for like language is no barrier, and I still stand by that, of course. But just like I don't know. I just feel like these lines are so pretty. I wish, I don't know. I wish they were in a language that I, did not have to think so much for.
Oh.
I'm actually genuinely feeling that after reading the lyrics. So yeah, because you speak Punjabi,
I know,
so obviously
I
you're
understand
okay.
that, that's why.
So
Because also there is some, like how when you found it a little sad, I was trying to figure out what's sad about it. Like, maybe because उसका जो tonality है ना, वो उसमें वो sadness नहीं है. Like अगर आप एक बहुत, so I understand where you're coming from, because उसका जो literal translations हैं, that sometimes can read that it's a little sad. लेकिन उसका जो बोलने का जो tonality होती है ना, वो उसमें there is not like there's beauty rather than sadness. Like how sometimes, like how when if somebody is talking about that there is in loneliness also there's beauty, yeah. Literally translated, it will be like when one is lonely there is beauty, for example. But that's not what the line means. Sometimes that
that's
also
what I'm
happens.
saying. The meaning will
I
not
know
come
what you
across to
mean.
a non-Punjabi
It
speaker.
changes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So hence, I don't feel like I can probably feel the song as much the way you're feeling it because you speak the
Fair
language.
enough. Fair
So
enough.
that is why at the end of only this song, I'm feeling this feeling. Otherwise, I've always said कि नहीं. And also, come on, people have been complaining in our comments only. They've been complaining कि सब
that's true.
पंजाबी गाने आ रहे हैं, कोई उर्दू गाना नहीं आ रहा, ये वो. And I'm like, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. आज ये पढ़ के
but I hear you.
ट्रांसलेशन
Yeah.
के साथ मुझे फील हो रहा है कि बहुत मीनिंग्स इतने हिट नहीं करते जितने नेटिव स्पीकर्स को करते हैं. So this line specifically, दिल वालिया ने पीछे मुड़ वेखना भी है किथों चली सी कहानी किथे टुर चली है. The tonality is something else to a Punjabi speaker.
So for example, I'll tell you what I'm getting out of it. Yeah. Just these two lines.
Yeah.
So when we look back and reflect on life, when we look at it, that we thought it will go in a certain direction, right? But the beauty of life is that when you come to a certain point and you look back, and especially because if you've been a person who've really lived life and loved life, and you're in love and like, not in love, but like in love with life. Like, if you've lived with a lot of love. And when you look back to your own life, you also wonder that, अरे कहाँ से शुरू हुई थी
There is
बात
a
और कहाँ आ
wondrous,
गए हम?
there's a wonder
we
element
began
in that
where?
emotion. Yeah.
Where we began, what we thought will happen in life, and look where we are. Wow. Like, it's that kind of a
कहाँ
thing.
से चली और कहाँ मुड़ के आ गई है. That's the line.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's the line.
Yeah.
And also
So,
it's the way she said it, no? It's like, कहाँ चली है, किथे मुड़ गई? Like, like, there is such sweetness to it. It's very, it's beautiful.
Which is what I'm saying. Like, it didn't hit me that way when I heard it because it's not my language, so I didn't get. And also like, it also depends the way you'll take this line. Also, I think it also depends on the phase of life you're in.
100%.
Absolutely.
बिल्कुल.
आपको वो line सुन के रोना भी आ सकता है और आपके चेहरे पे स्माइल भी आ सकती है. It really depends on where you are.
वो तो कोक स्टूडियो की स्पेशलिटी है.
Yeah.
उनके सारे गानों के अंदर and उनके सारे lyrics में they literally change with the phase the listener is in. वो पूरी की पूरी बात बदल जाती है. And that I've seen like over years it's happened. And how I think that's the true nishani of a piece of art. That art is relevant through phases of life, through and that piece of music, gorgeous.
That goes for anything, even books. I reread books and they hit me different in a different way completely than from what I remember how it had hit me, when I was younger. So yeah, all that is everything. That's the sign of a classic piece of art, right?
Correct.
So lovely, yaar. Okay, so we've kind of tried to grasp the story. I think we cracked that. I'm just saying.
Kinda. I think this story is also such which will have multiple meanings.
Multiple layers are there. Also,
multiple layers, multiple meanings. Yeah.
इस वीडियो के like storyboarding में और conceptualizing में बहुत ही time लगाया गया है. That is like, I cannot stress that enough. I think every single element, and I'm looking at the first like opening, the bridge. The bridge with the complete black there is just him in the chair and her. And she is standing at the starting point of that bridge, and there's so much symbolism right there. And I just wonder how they even created that visually, you know, because it just looks like it's just a bridge.
Green
And
screen.
it's yeah. Even the mountains I thought were real. Here also I'm thinking कि कहाँ बना दिया, green screen ही होगा. But
Agree,
yeah,
Jojo.
it's just beautiful because
Good.
it's just a bridge, and it's
Yeah.
like it's all dark. It's all like a anyway, never ending.
See, that's such amazing suspension of belief.
Yeah.
That can only happen, that kind of disbelief that becomes a reality for us and we start believing it so much, happens
Yeah.
only when they've done the job so well, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Also, I have to say, all the musicians, there was one shot where the camera went through the entire thing and it came out at the end, and I was wondering, वो obviously ऊपर से गया होगा because it is passing every single musician and every single thing, and it's going in a straight line and it's coming out at the end. That one
Correct.
sort of one move shot was just freaking, I cannot. It was so beautiful. It was so well done. And obviously this was not a, you know, it was not blockbuster, like one take, this thing. But just every element of it, you know, like this one guy, he's standing with this background where there's like numbers on the thing. There's a timer number कुछ है और वो पूरा wall ऐसे लग रहा है like it's the inside of a chip, you know, of a computer chip.
Wow.
That backdrop was crazy amazing. The stage where she's performing was something else with the whole round things with the Coke Studio in the middle. I didn't see Sound of the
That was
Nation
very
this time.
nice
Did you
one.
see Sound of the Nation?
No, I did not.
Second time
But
I
we
was
also
looking
could
for
have been
it.
very overwhelmed
Yeah.
with like the whole, you know, music and the video going on. That
There are
it's
so
very
many
possible that we
things.
kind of missed it.
Yeah.
Like when she was singing, even they are like cleaning up the side. So, you know, all that was also going on. So
So
by
much
the
is going
way, the
on.
more I keep seeing the video, I'm very, very divided in the two sides. In the side that you have expressed, which is
But
the
they're
whole
one.
travel, it's one only, exactly.
It's one. I
So
was
it's
only
like the inner
analyzing
and the outer.
I was only analyzing the logical flow of what was happening.
Yeah.
You went
But
deeper
like
into the layer of it.
the
Also,
emotion of it.
yeah, the emotion. The tunnel was the line. There was, I saw the translation. It said carrying the baggage of memories. वो वाला line था. तो वो, that's when he enters the tunnel.
Yeah.
And I was like, वही तो था. That's when I got
वही
it.
था.
Like, you know,
Correct.
he's going down in his mind. He's going down his life because गाना भी वही कह रहा है. Translated lyrics भी वही बोल रहे थे, and it's all, you know, when his hands were changing and the different get-ups of his and timelines of his, let's say, all of that was happening. I was like, oh God, he is really gone into all his memories, personas, the people he used to be. So many different, even lifetimes. Now let's regress completely.
Correct.
Even lifetime.
पूरा ही वहाँ चले जाए.
पूरा
Exactly.
Hello, why not? And I loved it. And anyway, I was admiring her glasses when she's in the green outfit because there it's a frameless. Did you see? It was frameless, and the shape of her glasses was it was like butterfly wings almost.
Ooh,
her glasses.
Fancy.
You saw?
Like.
That's when I saw that. That's when I was like, okay, the glasses are a constant. She's a therapist or she's a doctor or a scientist, basically. You know.
Correct.
वो ही हो रहा था. So why were you saying that you're leaning towards this thing story?
No, I'm talking. It's both. Like for example, like okay, see. So usually, even all these other all the sci-fi stories which are also created, they actually emerge. The first thought is always about self-journey, right? And then the depiction of it goes into like how do we now visually show it. So let's rope in different planets, let's rope in, you know, how
the
will
worlds,
one travel,
we create
the
different
physical,
worlds for it.
yeah, and the physics side of things, and then how will one bypass it, then that becomes a conflict and, you know, something to pass, and that itself creates, because I mean, if we're talking Star Wars, then let's go with thinking you're good, going towards that, then the whole, like, you know, there is that tussle. But I mean, I think everybody's seen, so we can talk about it, but just in case somebody has not watched by chance Star Wars, so I don't want to like already talk about the end so that people already, but that the tussle between the two sides that exist within us, and one what we're born with but we're unaware of, and then the, you know, the life that we choose and where we're going, so all that, but uska jo physical side hai, you know, it is so beautifully been captured in the whole sci-fi visual of it. That's what
Hmm.
I'm talking about, which is why I'm
Hmm.
bending towards yours as well. That for one side, so that it appeals to both audience. You know, not everybody always goes into कि चलो अब बिना child work में हम घुस जाएं. Everybody like ठीक है, तो sci-fi उसको
Yeah.
रहने दो. हर
No,
चीज तो
but
therapy
the
जरूरी नहीं है.
worlds collide and combine, because the
They
essence
do
of Star
exactly
Trek and Star Wars was always this,
that
to
only.
actually
Yes.
make people understand that differences
Yeah.
exist in the world, and different worlds and different people, and the emotional moral of every Star Trek episode was that accepting everyone as they are, respecting everyone as they are. The whole thing was to never interfere in another planet's life and species, and observe only. It's always like, there's multiple stories in every episode. So
Always,
but
yes.
it's always, the bottom line is always a very core human value of understanding life
Yes.
and its different facets and aspects.
And accepting diversity, everyone living harmoniously. Bottom line is that only.
Yeah.
And that is the bottom line for music as well. That is the bottom line probably also for the whole season, this particular season that is going on.
Yes.
So just when all those thoughts combine together, now we might be reading too much into it, but it's too
No,
obvious.
I
Like
don't
it's
think we are.
in front of our faces. Yeah.
Yes.
It's a very deliberate thought that all these common elements kind of come together.
Yeah.
And जैसे वो होता है ना micro dosing of a message. कि आपको सीधा
Yeah.
मुंह पे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप धीरे धीरे छोटी छोटी माइक्रो डोजिंग में भी फीलिंग समझ आ जाए तो उसके बाद वर्ड्स की जरूरत नहीं है. और
Yeah.
इसमें इस पूरे सीजन में वो फीलिंग हर गाने में बहुत क्लियरली एक्सप्रेस हो रही है और फील हो रही है.
और हर एक गाने के वर्ल्ड में, बिकॉज हर एक गाना एक
Yeah.
डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड को डिपिक्ट कर रहा है.
Exactly.
हर एक डिफरेंट लाइक यूनिवर्स बना दिया है, राइट?
Correct.
Whether it was Hercule, whether it's this, whether it was
Yeah.
Oyara, anything, there are different worlds, and the end goal of it is the same core human values that we need to highlight and present once again to the world in
And
case
love.
it's forgotten.
Love
And
and
love.
self-acceptance.
Bottom
Yeah.
line is this only. इसलिए तो ये इधर है.
Oh, yay. Yes.
That's the crux of it. Okay, so moving on. So yeah, moving along. Should we get to the BTS, because I think we have discussed what we could. We haven't gone like scene wise in the video. But I think we can. There's too many elements. We'll do that in the BTS. BTS में वैसे भी वो आधे से ज़्यादा elements explain हो जाएंगे, है ना?
Correct. Yeah. I totally agree.
So let's do that. The thing I want to say at the end is our traveler fellow. I like him. I think he's from Quick Style. I think because his face felt very familiar, and of course the way he was moving and all, and given that Quick Style had choreographed this, I really liked his face expressions. There was one moment where his profile, he was looking, and I was like, this guy is made for the camera.
He gave me full K-pop vibes, huh?
Oh, really?
Like,
but
like,
he
that's
embodied
exactly
the
what
character he was playing, and he really, you couldn't ignore him in any frame he was in.
Yeah, couldn't. And I think that was by design, but also because his clothes were different from others and but he carried it wonderfully.
His face
you can't ignore him.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
Loved it. Okay, we'll talk about all the other elements in the BTS. This is just, it has boggled our mind like nothing else. And kuch to, I feel like, I don't know why I'm feeling incomplete ending this video here, but I am.
Yeah.
I feel like there's a lot to be discussed. So वो करेंगे BTS में.
वो BTS ही
By
complete करेगा, by the way.
Hasan. Yeah, everything. We'll continue there. Join us there.
You know what we haven't spoken about? Maybe that's why you're finding it incomplete. Their singing and the music arrangements. That's
yes,
what
the actual song. The actual song. Shame.
That's why we're feeling incomplete. Oh,
so we did
discuss Hasan. We did discuss Hasan Rahim's progression and the high note that he hit, and that sounded so good, for sure. And we, but the music arrangement as such, and all those different instruments and music, the way they had intermingled the musicians sitting there, and that, I think, what was that one light ke saath, that one thing that opened in the center? It looked like a gramophone, like one of those LP players kind of thing.
It did.
But
it looked like one of those old music device things.
So all these different music instruments that they also kind of put all over the set, and then the way the musicians were sitting within the whole thing, and how they became the characters.
The characters they were playing was just beautiful. They were all so good. I really loved when the banjo thing came, and I'm guessing that is what it is because I didn't recognize it. And the musician playing it, he was in a yellow shirt, if I remember correctly. Naseem. That section, and then the entire violin section. Every time, and I was just watching them, and I was thinking, I think this is the same crew that were in Phir Milenge. Phir Milenge violin section. उसी में से 4 वो है. I think I kind of recognize one of them.
Correct.
Javed Iqbal, if I'm not mistaken. And then that there was something. What was it? This guy who was plucking the guitar like this, that twing was happening. What was that?
Electric guitar ka thing.
Yeah, the way that was being strung and it kept happening. There were so many elements in this. Actually,
I'm really excited to watch this in the BTS. जब वो बताएंगे कि कौन से इंस्ट्रूमेंट को कहाँ पे और किस तरह और क्यों, and when they'll be in the studio and how they kind of came up with it in the live session. That'll be really good.
All the musicians just look too cool. Okay, so this is the shot at 1:35 when the camera is going. That's when the box opened. It looks like a thing. There's another someone working on like a little tiny computer type thing. Yes. There's someone else that's sitting in front of this like thing, 2 girls, and it looks like I don't know, it looks like a hookah shisha, but it's not. Then the keyboard keys are happening and several screens, and then it reaches her at the end where she's at the bar and our traveler fellow is giving her his hand, and then she walks along and goes. So so that happened. Anyway,
I also can't get over the headdresses of the girls, huh? Like when when they're going in, and then like there's this gold headdress that one of the girls is wearing, which you were saying that looks like a shisha, but it isn't. Like, there's one like apparatus thing that they're sitting next to. So one of the girls has that thing that's looking gorgeous. अब पता नहीं वो लाइट प्ले है क्या, वो सिर पे कुछ पहना है, बट यार ये कॉस्ट्यूम डिपार्टमेंट, आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट, लाइट्स डिपार्टमेंट,
कर दिया है.
सब कुछ मतलब ऐसे चैंप्स बन गए, चैंप्स.
I know. One sec, we must
and makeup.
Props
and
to that entire team. Video creative team: Kamal Khan, Ehsan Raza, Fariha Afzal, Saif Amjad. Them Raza, Shaim Khan, Ila Hussain, Shahrukh Kazim, Iman Khan, and Arif Khan. Video production company FEPO. Production manager Zara Chauhan. Production design and art direction Tanya Mirza, Khawar Sabir, Anmol Poplani, and Muhammad Usman. Set team Fawad ur Rahman. Hunar art. Wardrobe styling of Hassan Rahim musicians and talent by Faraz Sheikh.
Well done, you.
Costume design and wardrobe styling of Shazia Manzoor by Fatima Butt. Wardrobe assistant Natasna Qureshi and Shappa. Makeup and hair for Hassan, Shazia, and musicians by Saima, of course. Brilliant hair and makeup for support talent and dancers Arshad Khan. Talent agency Citrus and Reliable Talent. All of you, just gorgeous. Everyone, yaar. Post video production, the entire team. Lights, camera company, lights and grill. There's so many names here. ठीक है, we thank all of you for this visual and sonic treat. We shall now proceed to the BTS. We didn't really talk about the singing and the song, but what can we say? We are just overwhelmed.
We did, right? We spoke about how it's so fresh and the way it mixed, and their voices were like just complementing each other perfectly. Like, just tarah,
I have to say,
also and everything.
When her first section finished, where she's singing on the bridge, and then the beat dropped and the beat change that happened there. Oh my God, it blew my mind. I was like, what is this?
Same.
And these kind of surprises that kept happening, and the way the song was structured, it was impossible to classify it as one thing, First thought. I'm going back to my first thought because that's all I can say about it.
Which means we have actually covered it all. चाहे हमें लग रहा हो कि हमने नहीं किया है, लेकिन हमने कर लिया है.
Yeah, we should yes. Chalo, we will see you in the BTS to figure out how this wonder actually happened. Join us there and take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Bye.
Always this. Star Trek.
Yes, yeah.